Jake with Speed Maverick Garage. We have here today Steve Engberg. Okay, he won Best in Show with a Boss 669 Mustang. It was my favorite car here at the show. Can you tell us a little bit about the car and how it came to be?
Well, a friend of mine, Mark Coleman, is a fabricator, and he and I decided we wanted to build the best, most awesome 69 Mustang we could think of. So we thought, well, let's get the biggest engine we could do. So we did a 600 cubic inch Boss engine, got a 69 Mustang, did a Detroit speed rear end, 6-speed, fuel injection, and just kind of went to town with it.
Oh yeah, it's absolutely a beautiful car. I came over and said it was my favorite car here at the show. And that was before he won the award. And so glad to know I'm not alone in thinking that. And I just want to say congratulations on doing a great job, building a beautiful car.
Thank you.
And hope to see it again in the future,
Absolutely.
winning more awards.
Absolutely.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thanks.